Hello dear students and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss the syllabus changes in the Telangana Board of Intermediate Education. So students, this is a press release and it was released on 14th of May. So as per this notice, there have been certain reforms by the TGBI board. Reforms means changes. First one is that TGBI has issued admission notification on 11th of May for junior colleges commencing from 12th of May. Second one is that TGBI has taken the following reforms for different streams and subjects. First is the science stream, which has physics, chemistry, botany and zoology. So the old scheme was that practicals should be conducted for second year only, that too for 30 marks, and the theory paper for 60 marks. But the new scheme says that practical exams should be restructured as 15 marks for first year and 15 marks for second year. And theory exam should be conducted for 60 marks. 60 marks in first year and 60 marks in second year. Now next subject is mathematics. In mathematics, there was no internal assessment and only theory paper was there for 75 marks. But now as per the new scheme, there will be activity based learning ABL assessment for maths A paper and maths B paper. So total 15 marks in first year for maths A paper and B paper separately 15 marks, and then same is for second year also. And your theory exam would be for 60 marks in total. Next group of subjects are humanities. In humanities, you have different subjects. Now for CEC, you have commerce, accountancy, economics and political science, that is civics. And for HEC group, it is history, geography, public administration, okay? So earlier there was no internal assessment and total marks in the theory paper was 100. But now, as per the new scheme, there will be 20 marks ABL, that is activity based learning internal assessment. So some lesson based activity they have to do with you, and then based on that they will give you 20 marks internal, and then theory paper would be for 80 marks. So all these years they haven't changed this, but now they are bringing such improvements. Now moving on to languages. In languages, earlier internal assessment was not there and total theory marks were 100 in the public exam. But now 20 marks internal activity based learning will be there, that is ABL, and your theory paper would be for 80 marks. So in languages you have Hindi, Telugu, Urdu, Sanskrit, Arabic. Okay, now moving on to modern languages. In modern languages you have, these are optional subjects like Telugu, Hindi, English or Urdu in certain colleges. So for this also no internal assessment was there and total public exam marks were 100, means the theory paper. But now as per the new scheme, 20 marks internal assessment will be there in modern languages and the theory paper will consist of 80 marks. Now moving on to AEC group. AEC is a new group introduced in intermediate. It is same like CEC almost, only civics is not there. So accountancy, commerce and economics only, and the languages would be there obviously. So in this group also 20 marks activity based learning and 80 marks theory paper. Now moving on to MEC, that is maths. In maths, no internal assessment was there and total theory marks were 75. Same like MPC maths. But now for MEC maths students also there will be a separate question paper and 20 marks ABL, that is activity based learning internal assessment, and theory marks would be 80. Just remember students, you need to pass separately for practicals and separately for theory. So out of 80, usually the passing marks are 28 and out of 20 it is 7. So the Telangana board has revised textbooks for first year intermediate, means there are going to be changes in the textbooks and the textbook. So these changes would be made by subject committee experts for the different subjects, and the textbooks have been printed with diagrams, knowledge boxes, QR codes. QR codes are very helpful students. With the help of QR codes, students can get textbook solutions and question papers It will be very helpful, and all the Indian knowledge based systems and simulations are also applicable. Now, distribution of revised textbooks will be taken before 1st June. So, already the books have been distributed, students, to different colleges. So, there will be no delay in the start of the new academic year. Students, you must follow my channel as I'll be posting regarding different lessons of English as well as other subjects as well, question papers and so on, and different updates regarding intermediate. Students, if you think I was able to help you, then don't forget to hype this video and don't forget to contact me on my Telegram ID if you want easy notes. Do check out the playlist that I gave in the comment section and hit the bell icon to get notified for my next upcoming video.